In this video, I'm going to show you how you can multiply two matrices on a Casio Classwiz calculator. And to do this, we're going to do a worked example. So we're going to multiply two 3x3 matrices. So the first matrix is just simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the second matrix we're going to multiply is just that backwards. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the first thing we need to do to be able to multiply these two matrices together is to put the calculator into the matrix mode. And to do that, you want to select Menu. And then option 4 is the one that looks like a matrix. So we press option 4, and then it will then ask you to define a matrix. The first matrix we're going to define as matrix A, and the second one we're going to define as matrix B. So let's press option 1 to define matrix A. You then need to look at the size of the matrix. So you count the number of rows, which we have 3. Then you count the number of columns. Again, we have 3. It's a 3x3 matrix, and this gives us a blank matrix to fill in. We can then enter it, so we've got 1 equals 2 equals 3 equals, and just go all the way through and enter the matrix as shown. Then what you need to do is you need to press the AC button, and that takes you back to this screen with a matrix written there, and you also have that matrix A saved to the calculator's memory. The next thing you need to do is to define matrix B, and to do that you have to press the option button here. This opens up this menu, and you want to choose define matrix, and that will let you define the other matrix. So we want to define matrix B, so we press option 2. Again, we have to say that it is a 3x3 matrix, so entering the rows and columns, and then we can enter our second matrix, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And as before, we press AC, takes us back to this screen. Then we go back into the option menu, and it will then let us recall from the memory the two matrices we've defined. And we want to do matrix A multiplied by matrix B. So we'll just select option 3. That brings up matrix A. Then press multiply. Then go back to option. Do 4 for matrix B. Press equals. And the two matrices have been multiplied together, and we get our answer. So that is how you can multiply two matrices together using a Casio Classwiz calculator. If this was useful and helpful to you, please like and subscribe below. And finally, thank you very much for watching.